My mother was a very frugal Southern lady, born and raised in Virginia. She always found some way to use all of our leftovers. Mashed potatoes. We have less than a serving of mashed potatoes because I used unsalted butter. My russet potatoes don't have any sodium. Put a little bit of green onion in here. We can't have any more than 10 milligrams of sodium in here. Both of my sisters, both of my daughters have made these. I wasn't sure whether this was just a family thing or not, so yesterday on my computer I put potato cakes in. I was expecting to see cakes with icing on them. I was surprised. There's quite a few telling you how to do this. They do it different. Some people put cheese in there. Some people dredge them with panko. Some people bake them. We're going to make them Mother's Way today. And your potatoes have to be cold. I've never tried these with instant potatoes, but according to my computer, they don't work real well. So I'm going to make patties with these, dredge them in flour, and put them in my frying pan with unsalted butter. They'll get nice and brown. A wonderful way to use leftover mashed potatoes. Sometimes Mom would put an egg in these. Sometimes she didn't. I didn't do that this time. Just the potatoes. That little bitty bowl of potatoes. 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Medium heat on my stove. 10 minutes to brown them. These are really good. I got 4 of these. They're right at 3 inches in diameter. Perfect to add to a breakfast, lunch, or dinner.